Is BLUM Airdrop going to pay dust or cook? So in this video, we're going to be discussing about the market price and TGE for BLUM Airdrop. So let me say not quite long, day before yesterday, we hear from BLUM Airdrop saying that they're going to be listing very soon, but actually we don't know the feast date yet. But guys, I'm not tired of all this Telegram airdrop paying dust like 0.00 something. I can remember the life of Minfi, Dogs, and many other airdrop who paid us way then. But guys, I don't even know what happened since after November. Let me say after grass airdrop listing, we don't even see any airdrop paying us like $1, $2 per one token. So guys, what do you think is going to happen to BLUM airdrop? Are they going to be paying us dust or paying us well or for us to cook? So let me know your market prediction under the comment section. So guys, I think with this, BLUM airdrop may not even pay us dust like others, but I'm not even backing this up with tokenomics or market capitalization. But guys, I think BLUM airdrop should pay